What is up, guys? Matt Paolini here, and today I am going to unbox that came in the mail the other day, Figures Toy Company, and here we go. If I can try to get this open for you guys. Take a while. Here we go. The box is open. Oh, sweet. Here it is. Got like the Figure Toy Company catalog thing. If you open it, it's all right here. Wrestling stuff. ROH. Pretty cool. This is really cool. They also gave me like my receipt and stuff like that. And now here we go for the best part. Hold on, guys. Don't get too excited. Hold on. Hold on. Bobby Fish figure right here, guys, as you can see. Bobby Fish right here. I really like these. Kyle O'Reilly. And of course, here we go. One more, guys. You guys are going to like this. Adam Cole, baby! That is right, guys. Adam Cole, Bobby Fish, Kyle O'Reilly. The reason why I wanted to get them because this was the first figure series 2 of ROH, and they're pretty rare, guys, so you can still get them, and I'll put a link down below for you guys if you want to get them. So, guys, once again, hope you all enjoy my boxing from Toy Figure Company. So, guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See ya.